Hi, I'm Marco Guerzoni, Marketing and Product Development Director at Forza. Today, I have the great pleasure to introduce to you our new fantastic product for 2021. Let's go! Forza is an Italian manufacturer of ultra-premium pro-style cooking appliances with more than 60 years of experience. The company behind Forza is called Glemgas, and it is a family company established in 1959 by my grandfather. We are coming from Modena, in the heart of Emilia-Romagna, a famous region for great sport car and fantastic food. I'm so humbled to say that it is probably the best place in the world to have a cooking manufacturer and a company like us. So let's see together what is gonna be the best news and new products for 2021 by Forza. Let's go!
This is our new 48 professional gas range, the only one in the market in the world with a single cavity. We're talking about 7.8 cubic feet of volume, so really the biggest cavity in the market. It lets you, of course, fulfill with whatever you want. We're talking about chickens, turkeys, up to 120 cookies, the best machine to entertain your guests. Our 48 is also equipped with the Massimo Blue double hyper broiler. Is a double broiler system with an open fray broiler that lets you cover all the surface of the cavity with this fantastic blue flame that lets you spread in a really even way all the heat that the broiler generates from the top. That means not cold spot and not extra hot spot that is typical problem that you have with the traditional infrared broiler. The Massimo Blue Hyper Broiler is one of the best innovation of Forza that is confirmed in this new 48. With so much space, you can bring the outdoor BBQ trends indoors with the max rotisserie. Put in the range a full lamb, even a small pig, and have a fantastic cooking result with a juicy meat and a crispy skin. Really outstanding. The cooktop is equipped with the Infinito Grace system, cast iron grates together with the integrated bull nose that literally lets you have a continuous surface that you can use to have the best and flexible result of your cooking. 8 burners with the dual flames, brass burners in the front and 4 brass burners on the back give a lot of power. We're talking about 128,000 BTUs for all the cooking surface. Just amazing. In terms of design, our 48 give the best interpretation of our style philosophy. We want to offer to the market an Italian radical design in a high performance range. That's the result. We have sculpted and angular lines that give the feeling of a dynamic product. Is literally like having a Ferrari in your kitchen. It's like having a Lamborghini in your kitchen. It's just a Forza product. We talk about the 48 gas range, and this year we are also launching a completely new category of products for Forza. I'm talking about the range tops and the wall ovens. We'll offer range tops in 2 dimensions, 36 and 30, with this the typical design of Forza, so the radical Italian design, also in this category of product for us, with the Infinito Grace system of the cooktop, that is basically a cast iron brace system with the integrated bull nose that offering a fantastic continuous edge-to-edge surface to work and enjoy every moment of cooking. 6 burners in the 36, 4 burners in the 30, with the dual flames, brass burner in the front and brass burner on the back. In terms of power, We offer a configuration with a dual flames burner with 20,000 BTU in the front of our range top and a brass burner with 12,000 BTUs on the back. This gives you a lot of power and flexibility to get the best result for your cooking meals and guests, of course.
In other news for this 2021 is about the introduction of our wall ovens. Wall ovens that of course present in the aesthetic of Forza, also in this category. So you're gonna see our new models, single and double ovens with the typical Forza aesthetic, the sculpted edge lines of the door, and this door that together with the control panel create a movement in your kitchen, in a user kitchen, that let them enjoy our typical aesthetic. But we are not offering only a radical Italian design in terms of style. We maintain the idea to offer also a product with high performance. In terms of features, both of the models offering 16 different cooking styles together with the recipes menu. In terms of interaction, the product is equipped with a TFT display with 5.7 inches that lets the people interact in a very easy way and control all the functions through knobs. In terms of equipment, both the models are equipped with two racks, telescopic lights, meat probes to enjoy every recipes inside of this fantastic new product by Forza. That's all for today for our presentation. I thank you all for the attention, and I'm looking forward to talk to you and see you at the KBIS in the virtual mode this year. And thanks again, and may the Forza be with you.